How are you? I hope all are fine. Doing well. I am Rahamdinisa. I am going to teach computer online class. Now it's time to concentrate on your online classes. Today I explain for you basics of computer. Okay, first of all, what is computer? Computer is a electronic data processing device which is made up of both hardware and software. Computer is a man-made machine. This is a electronic machine. See, who invented a computer? Do you know, children, who invented a computer? Charles Babbage. In which year? 1833. See, full form of computer. Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. This is the full form of computer. Once again, common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Okay, do you know parts of computer, children? Okay, look at, I will show for you parts of computer. See, look at parts of computer. First of all, what is this? This is a monitor. What is this, children? This is a monitor. So many children are thinking this is a computer. Not this is a computer. This is a monitor, part of a computer. Okay, children, what is the use of monitor? It is used to display information, data. Okay, and it looks like a just TV. All of you look at this one, it looks like a just TV. Okay, and next part is keyboard. What is this? Keyboard. Look at, in this keyboard, do you know how many keys are available in this keyboard? One standard keys in this keyboard. How many keys, children? One standard keys in this keyboard. See, in this keyboard, all keys are not same. Different types of keys are available in this keyboard. So, 5 types of keyboards are available in this keyboard. Look at first of all, first one, top of the line, look at all of you, this is functional keys, F1, F2 and so on till F12. Functional keys are available in this keyboard. This is the one type of keyboard. What is the use of functional keys? To do coding of program and boosting of computer. These functional keys we are using. And next one, look at down all of you. Here looking numbers. See, 0 to 9 numbers are available in this keyboard. This is a numerical keys. Okay, what is the use of numerical keys? To use enter the data and solving the programs. Okay, and next one down, these are the alphabet keys. This is the one type of alphabet keys. Okay, what is the use of alphabet keys? To use enter text. And next one, look at all of you in this keyboard, left side, these are the arrow keys. What is this? Arrow keys. In this arrow keys, 4 are available. First one, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. These are the 4 keys in this keyboard. What is the use of keys in this keyboard? We are using to move the cell or sheet. Okay, and next one, right of the keyboard. Look at this side, all of you. These are the special keys in this keyboard. Look at what are the special keys? Tab, caps lock, shift, control, Windows, Alt. These are the special keys in this keyboard. Why we are using in this special keys keyboard? We are using to give the symbols and punctuations and to open the windows, closing the windows. We are using these special keys. Okay, these are the keyboards in these keys. Okay, next one, and one is the most important key in the keyboard. This is enter key. What is the use of enter key? To go to the next line and save the program also. So, it is the one of the most important keys in the keyboard. And next one, this is the space bar. It looks like a chocolate, 5-star chocolate. See, this is the longest. All keys are looks like coffee bite chocolates, and this one key looks like a 5-star chocolate. This is the longest key in this keyboard. What is the use of space bar? It gives the space between word to word. This is the keyboard. In this keyboard, how many types of keys are available? How many types? 5 types. That is functional keys, number keys, alphabet keys, special keys, arrow keys. These are the 5 types of keys we are using to enter the text. This is keyboard. Okay. And next part is mouse. What is this, children? Mouse. Look at all of you. In this mouse are available only 2 or 3. So many children are thinking 2 or 3. Only 2 buttons are available in this mouse. Right mouse button, left mouse button. Okay, what is the use of 2 buttons? Left mouse button we are using to selecting the objects and opening the objects also. Okay, and next right mouse button we are using to pop off menus only. Okay, we are most often using only left mouse button, not right mouse button. Okay. And next one, scroll wheel bar. This is the not button. This is a one scroll wheel bar. What is the use of scroll wheel bar? It scroll up the pages. This is the mouse. It has 3 parts, 2 or 3 parts. Right mouse button, left mouse button and scroll wheel bar. Okay. We have to keep in this mouse fingers like V shape. Okay, children, V shape we have to keep. Always we have to use only left mouse button. Okay. And next one. And next part is CPU. Do you know very well CPU is the brain of computer. Okay. To solving all of the problems in this CPU only. In this basically depending upon performs to the three classified dividing arithmetic, logical unit, control unit and memory unit. Next, main parts of computer system. There are the 4 main parts of computer system. That is, first of all, input device, processing means central processing unit, and next one storage device, and next one output device. Okay? Then these are the 4 main parts of computer system to do the programming. First of all, what is input device? To enter the data. To enter the data. Why we enter the data? Like using help of keyboard and mouse. Whatever you have to give the text, we are using keyboard and mouse. This is the input device. And next one, processing. Processing means central processing unit. This is the central processing unit. Whatever you have to give the instructions of computer with help of keyboard and mouse, then after it's going to CPU. Okay, CPU. In this CPU, 3 types have. Basically, performs 3 types. That is ALU. ALU means arithmetical logical unit. CU. CU means control unit. Next, MU. MU means memory unit. Arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic means, you know, in maths, addition, subtractions, divisions, that we are doing this arithmetic problems. And next, logical means comparing to the 2 statements like lesser than or greater than. That type of part solving this arithmetic logical unit. Next, control units is controls the all the parts of data. And next, memory unit storing the data. Okay. Input device after going on to the CPU process is storage device. What is storage device? For example, in your home lot of toys are have for you. Then you have to keep one side like the toys. You have to keep shelves or cupboards you are keeping your toys, no? And like this only we have to entering data, you have to storage the data. So we have to storing devices. There are the 2 types of storing devices. See, primary memory and secondary memory. In this primary memory, RAM are available. RAM means random access memory. RAM means random access memory. It is a temporary memory. Why we are calling temporary memory? Once light is turned off in computer, automatically erase the data. So we are calling this is a primary memory. Okay, children. And next one, secondary memory. This is a permanent memory. Why we are calling permanent memory? When computer is light off also, it's not erase the data. It store the data in secondary memory. Okay. It have no fixed size also. In this secondary memory, mostly we have to say ROM. Look at this one, ROM. ROM means read only memory. In this ROM, 3 types are available, that is PROM. PROM means programmable read only memory. And next one, EPROM. EPROM means erasable programmable read only memory. And third one is EEPROM, means electrical erasable programmable read only memory. It is depending upon this RAM 3 types. Okay, ROM means read only memory. This is the 3 types of ROM. Okay, these are the storage devices we have to data storing computer. How many storage devices, children? 2 types. First one primary memory, second one secondary memory. Primary memory is a temporary memory and secondary memory is a permanent memory. Okay. Why we are using permanent memory? It store lot of data. It have a no fixed size also. Then you have to use like a hard disk, external hard disk, pen drives, CDs, like this etc. we have to use in this secondary memory to store computer data. Okay. And next one, fourth one is output device. This is output device. What is output device? It can show the result to display the information of output devices. For example, monitor, printer. Monitor, printer. Okay. These are the processing to entering the data. Main parts of computer system is input device, processing, storage device and out components of computer system. There are 2 types of components of computer system. First one hardware and one more software. Hardware, what is hardware? Physical components of all the parts of computer is called hardware. Okay. For example, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, joystick, printer, scanner, like this all the parts of, we are using all the parts of computer, that is the hardware. We can use, we can touch, we can feel it the parts of computer. So, that is hardware, that is the one type of component in computer system. And next one software. See, what is software? A set of instructions or a set of programs is called software. Okay. In this software, mainly we have to say 2 types of softwares. One is system software and one more is application software. In this system software, mostly we have to say operating system. Operating system. OS. OS means operating system. It is the most important system in computer. It controls all the parts of computer to do the program, that is operating system. Without operating system, computer is a useless. Like for example, operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, these are the types of operating system. Okay. Without operating system, computer is a useless. And next one, in this software only, next software, application software. In this application software, we had to classify, divide into the 2 types or 2 parts, that is custom built software and package software. What is the use of custom built software? To store the records or student records, we have to storing the information, we have to use custom built software. And next one, package software. In this package software, this is the one type of application software we are using in this computer, like MS Office package, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, that is the packages of software. Okay. In this package we are using to enter the data of program. And next one, Adobe Photoshop, that also one type of package software. And next to communicate peoples like WhatsApps, Instagrams, that also application software. These are the 2 types of softwares we are using in this computer, that is system software, application software. Okay. Only 2 softwares are available, that is system software, application software. In this application software, 2 types like custom built software, maintaining records like the students records, we have to using custom built software, and packages software means like MS Office package, on that MS Office package applications like MS Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, and next Adobe Photoshop to do editing the photos. Like that we have to use the application softwares. To communicate softwares also available like WhatsApps, Twitters, Instagrams, this all the communicate to the peoples. Okay, these are the two types of softwares. Okay, main software is what ma? Operating software, and system. In the system software only operating system are available. This is the most important operating software. Okay, these are the two components of system, hardware and software. Without hardware, computer cannot use. Without software, computer cannot use. We want both hardware and software. Okay children, are you understand? We want both hardware and software. Okay, for you one doubt have like hardware have no teacher, parts are also parts, all parts have no, then you can use computer. No children, like that you have to not use. Both we want hardware and software, both we want. Without hardware, computer is useless. Without software, computer is useless, not working. This is the types of component system. Okay, these are the basics of computer. Okay children, are you understand?